Unit Royal MAPS, a customized outdoor playing equipment designed to bring endless joy and adventure to children. This comprehensive playset features a variety of engaging elements, each crafted to inspire fun, physical activity, and imaginative play. At the heart of the 2-unit Royal MAPS is the Roto Straight Slide. This thrilling slide offers a smooth and exciting ride that kids will love, encouraging them to climb up and slide down over and over again. Designed for comfort and safety, this swing lets kids experience the joy of soaring through the air, providing endless entertainment and helping to develop their balance and coordination. For those who love to climb and challenge themselves, the Monkey Bar provides an excellent opportunity to develop upper body strength and coordination. Kids can swing from bar to bar, testing their agility. Constructed from high-quality, durable materials, the 2-unit Royal MAPS is built to withstand the elements and the rigors of enthusiastic play. Its vibrant colors and inviting design make it a standout feature in any playground, school, or backyard. The Roto Hut canopy offers a cozy and shaded spot where kids can take a break, gather, and let their imaginations run wild. Complementing this is the Roto Cross and Zero Railing, an interactive feature that allows children to engage in a fun game of tic-tac-toe, stimulating their minds as they play. Adding to the fun is the Jumble Climber, a dynamic climbing structure that invites children to navigate its various routes, enhancing their physical skills and boosting their confidence. Join us as we dive into the exciting world of the 2-unit Royal MAPS. Watch as children climb, slide, swing, and play, creating unforgettable memories and enjoying the great outdoors. This playset is not just equipment, it's a portal to a world of fun, growth, and adventure, designed to support the healthy development of kids while they have the time of their lives.